Buying appliances has never been more confusing. Between bad service, botched deliveries, and shady pricing games, a simple purchase can turn into a full-blown disaster. Reviews for appliances in appliance stores are the lowest compared to any other industry, like automotive, apparel, electronics, and restaurants. Yes, even worse than a car dealership. In this video, I'll show you where not to shop and why. So where can you buy appliances in 2025? You've got three choices: local appliance stores, big box retailers, and online-only dealers. All of them come with some trade-offs. Some are faster, some are cheaper, some will ghost you the moment something goes wrong. Let's break down what you're really signing up for with each. Many local stores have been around for 50, even 70 years. Their staff, most have been selling appliances longer than some brands have existed. But here's the flip side. One big advantage of shopping local: delivery. If your fridge shows up dented or the wrong stove gets dropped off, they can usually fix it fast, sometimes the next day. Local stores manage their own logistics, so they can respond quickly and deliver within 48 hours. And in places like Boston, where tight spaces and tricky access are the norm, a team that knows the area makes a huge difference. Some local dealers offer in-house service, and that matters way more than you might think. Last year, we handled over 33,000 service calls, more service stops than deliveries. Here's the truth: most appliances need service within 5 years. So when something breaks, and it will, you'll want a company that actually shows up. And realize most brands do not have their own service department. Installation's another landmine, especially with high-end appliances. Most local dealers offer install services, but many still rely on third parties to coordinate everything. And here's the problem: contractors avoid the tough stuff: built-in fridges, pro ranges, or panel-ready appliances that need to line up perfectly with custom cabinets. Between the cabinet shop, the contractor, and the appliance store, it's a game of hot potato. Still, a good local dealer gives you the best shot at keeping it all on track and getting it done right. Now, local stores aren't perfect, and we're the first to admit it. At Yale, we carry fewer brands on purpose. We focus on quality, and we have to service what we sell, so we can't support every line. But if you're chasing a specific brand, a local dealer might not have it. And yeah, if you picture rows of basic stainless steel appliances under fluorescent lights, you're not wrong. Here's the other problem: most local stores haven't kept up with the times. They struggle to attract new talent, and let's be honest, nobody grows up dreaming of selling appliances. Walk into the average store and it can feel like time froze in 1987. Outdated lighting, outdated systems, and a staff that's either overworked or just burned out. To be fair, not every store is like that, but a lot are. And if you'd rather browse online or chat with someone digitally, good luck. Local dealers are usually the worst at tech. Lastly, over 100 local stores shut down in 2024 alone. Boston Appliance closed after 70 years in business and took millions in customer deposits with them. Big box stores are winning more of your purchases, and there's a reason. Home Depot, Lowe's, and Best Buy account for 64% of all appliance sales in the US, and they keep growing. They've invested heavily in tech, AI, augmented reality, even mobile shopping tools, and they're way ahead of local dealers. Home Depot alone operates over 900 warehouse-style stores, which means they've got broad selection and some local delivery flexibility. And while their stock may rise or fall, these companies aren't going out of business and taking your money anytime soon. The trade-off: service and expertise. Big box stores are built for self-checkout, not deep product guidance. Finding someone who actually knows appliances, it's rare. They're not set up to answer questions, hold your order, or coordinate multiple deliveries. You also won't find premium brands like Sub-Zero, Gaggenau, or True here. Those manufacturers can't support mass volume, and these stores can't sell what they don't understand. Delivery is third-party, and costs can vary a lot, especially for anything beyond a ground floor drop-up. A simple flight of stairs or a built-in install can turn into a surprise upcharge. When it comes to research, online retailers have the edge. Sites like AJ Madison, Plessers, and US Appliance have the best comparison tools, filters, and selection. Some list over 150 brands. If you're looking for a niche Italian range or a lesser-known European washers, chances are they've got it. And they all offer free curbside delivery. Just don't expect much beyond the curb. Now here's the risk. Most online dealers are based in New York, and if you're buying from outside their area, your appliances may bounce through multiple warehouses and trucks before they reach your home. That means the odds of damage go way up exponentially. Curbside delivery is free, but anything beyond that, installation, haul away, Even just getting into your kitchen can get pricey fast. And if there's a problem, good luck. Returns are a nightmare, especially with large items and cross-country shipping. Plus, with so many brands listed, they often don't actually stock what you ordered. It gets pulled from a distant warehouse or factory. After the sale, support is limited. But let's be honest, how can they help when they're 1,000 miles away? This is where things usually fall apart. Delivery, install, returns, support. Once you click buy, you're pretty much on your own. Appliance shopping doesn't have to be a disaster, but you do need to go in with your eyes open. Here's what actually matters. Read the reviews, not just the stars, the complaints. See how the store responds. Local stores equal better service, but only if they're well run. Don't assume. Box stores equal convenience. Fine for basics, but don't expect real help with anything complex. Online stores equal risky. Great sites, but if something goes wrong, you're on your own. Delivery and install matter as much as the price. A cheap fridge doesn't help if it won't fit through your doors or shows up damaged. Test their support before you buy. Call, chat, email. See how hard it is to get someone. If it's bad now, it won't get better later. If you've had a great or brutal experience buying appliances, drop it in the comments. I read every one.